2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play funky, get lucky, Daft Punk. Alright, so let's start with putting a capo on 2nd fret, please. Standard tuning, cape, 2nd fret. We only got 4 chords. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. E minor. D major. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's talk about the switching and then the strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 2, 3, 4. C. D minor. D major. A minor. D minor. D. Okay, so strumming. Down, up, down, up. Let's see. That was a hard one. Basically, we don't want to stop. We don't want to stop the right hand for this song. We just want to go taka 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 taka. Then I do a slap, down, slap. Last two are upstrokes. Break it down. get lucky. So this song is easy with the chords, right? It's the right hand. Just get that strumming, that super funky. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe and rock on.